the cotton fields are empty, and all the coal mines have shut down. And all you've seen of the lives in between, I'd say no pain now. Oh Grandy, there's no need to worry. You know this world's already dead and buried. I'm letting go, 'cause I simply can't hold anymore than I can carry. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I have a sore fingers again with another hopefully interesting lesson for all you Benjamin Todd fans of the Benjamin Todd, of course, from the Lost Dog Street Band fame, but he does quite a bit of solo work these days, and this is one of those. And the song is called Any More Than I Can Carry. Okay, I'm doing it in standard tuning, but with a capo on the 4th fret. Puts us into the same key as Benjamin Todd's recording. Okay, obviously Benjamin Todd finger picks this, but I'm using a pick as usual. Okay, don't do finger picking lessons anymore. They take far too long. Most people like to strum anyway, to be honest, so here we are. Most of my viewers, I think, are strummers. Okay, so let's get to it. So it starts off with this little lick. Okay, all that is, I'm going on the 2nd string, the B string, 3rd fret from the capo. Hit that note and slide it up to the 5th fret from the capo and back again to the 3rd fret. Okay, 2 ways you can do the next bit. You can either just play the 5th fret of the 3rd string, the G string, so, or you can go down to the 1st fret on the 2nd string. Or it's the same thing. Okay, different way of playing the same thing. Okay, and then we have a classic build up to a C chord. 3rd fret on the bottom E string, open 5th string, 2nd on the 5th, and then into a C chord. Okay, so all the cotton G fields are back to C. Empty. Very simple that, yeah. Boom. All the cotton fields are empty. Right, and then we do a lead up to an F shape. Okay. 3rd on the 5th, open 4th, 2nd on the 4th to an F chord. However you wish to play it, you can use a bar chord. All your fingers, 5 strings, moving this. What I tend to do is use a standard F shape, and I move this 3rd finger up to the 5th string on the 3rd fret from the capo, and the pinky goes to the 3rd fret on the 4th. That's 5 down to 1. Or you can use a full bar chord, F, okay, or a simple F, whichever is more comfortable for you. Okay, so from the beginning. And all the cotton fields are empty, and all the, so it's F, G, coal fields have shut C down. Okay, so let's go from the beginning to that point. All the cotton fields are empty, and all the coal fields have shut down. Then we have a rundown from C to A minor, and it's just the 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th to open 5th, and then the A minor chord. Okay, so it goes all the coal mines have shut down. A minor to G. All you see of the F lives in bit C. I'd say G, no pain, C. No, so that's C to, on the last line. Say G, no pain, back to C. Now, and then you do that lead up that you did right at the beginning again to go into the chorus. Third on the sixth, bottom E string, open fifth, second on the fifth, back into C. Okay, so let's go all the way through it up to that point, okay? And all the cotton fields are empty, and all the coal mines have shut down, and all the seen of our lives in between, I'd say no pain now. And into the chorus. Oh Grandy. Now the chorus is exactly the same chords as the verse, okay, just so you know that. You play exactly the same thing that you've just done for the verse. Oh Grandy, there's no need to worry. You know this world's already dread and buried. Let him go, 'cause I simply can't hold any more than I can carry. Okay, and then you do another lead up as usual, back to the C, and you do another verse and another chorus, etc. So it's all verses and choruses, nothing else in it, okay? And it's the same to play all the way through the song. The verse and the chorus play exactly the same way, they just are phrased differently, okay? Different words. Okay, the only thing that's slightly different is right at the end, the final chorus. When you get to the final chorus, it goes, oh Grandy, there's no need to worry. No, this world's already dead and buried. Let me go, 'cause I simply can't hold any more than I can carry. And that's how he ends it. Okay, so all that's different, right at the end of the chord, the sequence of the chorus, the last chorus, when you go can't hold, it goes anymore, G, then I couldn't. Now normally it would go back to the C, yeah, carry, it doesn't, it goes to an F, okay, so anymore, C, G, then I can't, F, carry, C, and then he ends up with that lead up, as you do at the beginning of each verse and chorus, third on the sixth, open fifth, second on the fifth, C, stop. So the last chorus again. Oh Grandy, there's no need to worry. Now this world's already dead and buried. Let me go, 'cause I simply can't hold any more than I can carry. And there you have it, boys and girls. Benjamin Todd's Any More Than I Can Carry strummed. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope that helps you out with that. I mean, obviously you could, it's exactly the same chords to finger pick, but I just don't finger pick, okay? So there you go. Bye for now, see you in the next lesson.